It's been a bit. Yeah, I know. It's been almost a month since I've uploaded, so I wanna make a week of me uploading. Hopefully, I can make it. Cause if I can't, then you already know I'm a failure. So hopefully you enjoy this video. You already know, like and subscribe, and comment down below what you want me to do next on my videos. Alright, see ya.
I put a 4 in a 20 ounce, a nigga been drinking. Yeah. If you with the squad, I give you my heart, little nigga, I mean it. I was fighting some demons, in the field, bitch, I'm deep in. I was raised in the deep end, I know niggas be sinking. Take your bitch and go deep in, but I give it back while you tweaking. Come around with that rah-rah, we leave you dead on the cement. With the game, we ain't playing fair. Matter of fact, we don't play at all. OG was in the air, but we better run till we smoke it all. Putting on the front, boy, you better fall. We don't kill them dead, we don't kill them all. Might spend a 10 when I'm in the mall. I was on the beam with it in my draw. Hit that smoking, I'm blacking. Hit that smoking, I black out. If he run, blow his back down. I was gon' but I'm back down. These niggas gon' fall, but I never back down. In the school, I was trapping. In the school, you was class clown. Hey, down to sleep.